Hi, this is Sheppard from Sheppard Brackets. Today I want to go through the process with you of mounting the bracket to the wall and installing the shelf. So we've got all the stuff we need here. We've got our Sheppard bracket. These are number 8, 2.5 inch general purpose wood screws, the level, and our impact drill and our shelf. So I went ahead and installed one of the screws into the wall. One of the coolest things about this system is that you can, once you get it figured out where you want your shelf, you can just go ahead and sink a screw and install the bracket. You can just install the bracket right up under it with the screw already screwed into the wall. I just leave about 1/4 inch from the wall, and then you can go ahead and slide your bracket up in there and go ahead and tighten it up just a little bit. Set your level across the rods. Get it leveled up just how you like it. And then we'll do the same thing on this other side. I'm going to start with one of the bottom screws on this side. Okay. And then we can just go ahead and sink the last 2 screws. And last one right here. These brackets have the mounting points. These brackets have the mounting points on the top and the bottom, just so they've got strength in both directions. So if you happen to run into it and somehow, it doesn't take a lot of pressure pushing up to just rip these top screws out of the wall. These brackets are rated at 50 pounds per stud that you've got them screwed to. So this bracket here with the shelf would have a load rating of 100 pounds. So here, Coda, you want to come hang on this? This is my son, Coda. He weighs about 80 pounds. All right, good job, buddy. I can go ahead and hang on this thing. You watching this? Like, this thing will hold my weight. We've got our shelf that's already been routed and drilled. We went through that in the last video we did. And then you can just take it and line it up with the rods, and it will slide right on. So, all right guys, thanks for watching.